Welcome, today in front of me Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, you should hold for a while the device screen, the application store, and drag this app to another one. And as you can see, we just add the small device home screen folder here. By the same way, we can add here one more application. Here we can change the folder name. Just click on the name here and, for example, enter the games. Then just click here to down on the left down corner, and as you can see, we just successfully renamed our device folder. Here we can move this folder on the screens, for example here on the left upper corner, or also we can move it between the screens, or we can create the new screens for the folder. And just to remove, for example, the applications from here, hold for a while and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you don't want to stay with this app on the home screen, hold for a while and click to remove app. But don't worry, this application will stay here in the apps menu. You'll remove it only from your device screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.